Linking words, also known as transition words or connectors, are essential tools for creating clear and coherent sentences and paragraphs. They show relationships between ideas, help guide the reader through your writing, and improve the flow of information. Understanding how to use them effectively can make your writing more professional and engaging. Types of linking words and examples. Addition: these linking words are used to add information or ideas. Examples: and, also, furthermore, moreover, in addition. Usage: she enjoys reading novels, and she loves writing short stories. The results were accurate. Moreover, they were consistent with previous studies. Contrast: these words highlight differences or opposing ideas. Examples: but, however, on the other hand, nevertheless, although. Usage: the weather was cold, but we decided to go hiking. The team faced many challenges. Nevertheless, they achieved their goal. Cause and effect: these connectors explain reasons or results. Examples: because, so, therefore, thus, as a result. Usage: he stayed home because he was feeling unwell. The company improved its customer service. As a result, its sales increased. Time and sequence: these linking words are used to show the order of events or steps in a process. Examples: first, then, next, finally, meanwhile, afterwards. Usage: first, gather all the ingredients. Then, mix them together. She waited for the bus. Meanwhile, it started to rain. Comparison: these words indicate similarities between ideas. Examples: similarly, likewise, in the same way. Usage: this solution is effective. Similarly, the alternative method works well. The first experiment yielded positive results. Likewise, the second one was successful. Emphasis: these words are used to stress or highlight a point. Examples: indeed, in fact, certainly, most importantly. Usage: the project was challenging. Indeed, it required months of preparation. Most importantly, we must focus on sustainability. Examples and clarification: these linking words provide examples or clarify points. Examples: for example, for instance, such as, in other words, namely. Usage: many factors influence climate change. For example, deforestation and pollution. He's very talented. In other words, he excels in many areas. Summarization and conclusion: these connectors are used to sum up ideas or draw conclusions. Examples: in conclusion, to sum up, therefore, in summary. Usage: in conclusion, education is the key to a brighter future. The evidence was compelling. To sum up, the defendant was found guilty. Importance of linking words. Improves flow and coherence. Linking words help readers follow your ideas smoothly, making your writing easier to understand. Example: without linking words, she likes coffee. She doesn't like tea. With linking words, she likes coffee, but she doesn't like tea, shows logical relationships. They make connections between ideas clear, whether you're adding, contrasting, or explaining. Example: the company faced a financial crisis. However, it managed to recover by cutting costs. Adds professionalism. Using a variety of linking words enhances your writing sophistication and engages your audience. Tips for using linking words effectively. Avoid repetition, use a variety of linking words instead of repeating the same ones. Wrong, she enjoys painting. Also, she enjoys drawing. Also, she enjoys sculpting. Better, she enjoys painting. Additionally, she enjoys drawing and sculpting. Use them appropriately. Ensure the linking word matches the relationship you are expressing. Wrong, she was tired. Similarly, she went to bed early. Better, she was tired. Therefore, she went to bed early. Don't overuse. Using too many linking words can make writing seem forced or cluttered. Conclusion. Linking words are a crucial part of writing and speaking in English. They provide structure, improve clarity, and make your communication more engaging. By understanding the types of linking words and practicing their use, you can enhance your English fluency and express your ideas effectively. Linking words are essential elements in both writing and speaking in English, because they act as connectors between ideas, sentences, or paragraphs. They play a crucial role in making communication structured, clear, engaging, and fluent. Here's why they matter and how they can enhance your language skills. First, linking words provide structure by organizing your thoughts and guiding your audience through your ideas logically. They show how different parts of your writing or speech are related, making it easier to follow. For example, instead of saying, "She was tired. She slept early," you could use, "She was tired, so she slept early," to establish a clear cause and effect relationship. This use of linking words enhances the overall coherence of your communication. Second, linking words improve clarity by clearly indicating the relationship between ideas, whether it's contrast, addition, or cause and effect. This helps your audience understand your message without confusion. For instance, the sentence, "He didn't study for the test. As a result, he failed," effectively explains the reason for the failure. Without such linking words, the connection between ideas might be vague or ambiguous. In addition, using a variety of linking words can make your communication more engaging. Repeating the same connectors can make writing or speech sound monotonous, while diverse linking words add sophistication and interest. For example, compare these two versions: "I went to the park. And I saw some ducks. And I took pictures," versus "I went to the park, where I saw some ducks. Later, I took pictures of them." The second version is much more dynamic and enjoyable to read or hear. Finally, linking words enhance fluency by allowing your writing and speaking to flow naturally. They reflect a higher level of language mastery and professionalism, which boosts confidence. For example, a beginner might say, "I like swimming. I like running. I don't like biking," but a fluent speaker could say, "I like swimming and running, however, I don't enjoy biking." The linking words in the second example demonstrate a more polished and cohesive way to express ideas. To apply this knowledge effectively, start by understanding the different types of linking words, such as those for addition, also, furthermore, contrast, but, however, and cause-effect, because, therefore. Practice incorporating them into your writing and speech to show relationships between ideas. Lastly, always review and edit your work to ensure your linking words are used appropriately and contribute to the overall clarity and flow. By mastering linking words, you not only improve your ability to connect ideas, but also demonstrate your capability to communicate with clarity and purpose. They are key to becoming a more confident and effective English speaker and writer.